Welcome everyone, I'm Chef Christy and I am so excited that you're watching today because I have another very special recipe to share with you, and it is for a blackberry cobbler. Now I grew up eating this cobbler. Every summer when the blackberries would come in season, we would make this blackberry cobbler. It is so simple, it is delicious, and it is one of my dad's very favorites. So I thought I would just make him this cobbler for Father's Day. Now I have been so blessed with the greatest dad ever. He is so kind, he is so patient. He is one of those dads that anytime you need him, he's there, no questions asked. So I just want to make this cobbler for him and take this to him today. And so I want to share with you this cobbler. It is so good. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is just take my blackberries. I have rinsed them with some water, and then I'm just going to place them in the baking dish. And there's about 4 cups of blackberries. Okay, so now I'm going to make the batter, and this is super easy. And here's a trick. It is equal parts of flour, sugar, and milk. So, and it's self-rising flour. So this is 1.5 cups of self-rising flour and then 1.5 cups of sugar. Now my dad is diabetic, so today I'm going to use a sugar substitute, but I have 1.5 cups, but you can use white sugar. And then I'm going to stir this together, and then I have 1.5 cups of milk. Now it is important that you use self-rising because it will not turn out if you use all-purpose. And then you just mix this together, and then we're going to pour it over our berries. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is just pour this batter right over my berries. And here's the thing, since it is equal parts, if you wanted to make a bigger one or a smaller one, you could do 2 cups of flour, sugar, and milk. A smaller one, you could do 1 cup. That's what I really like about it. It's so easy that you could adapt it to whatever size of cobbler you are wanting. All right. So then the last thing that I'm going to do is I have 1/4 of a stick of butter, and I'm just going to, I've melted it, and I'm just going to drizzle all this over the top. All right, and then I'm going to put this in an oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes. Okay, the blackberry cobbler is all done and it looks delicious. I know that my dad is going to love it. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I share simple, quick, and delicious recipes every single week. So I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell. That way you will know as soon as I upload a new video. So I'm getting ready to take this to my dad, but I want you to come along with me. Okay, I did forget to mention that this cobbler would be excellent, or actually I have made it with fresh blueberries and peaches, raspberries. It is just a very versatile cobbler. All right, my parents' dog is right there. Happy Father's Day.
Well, thank you.
I brought you something.
What is it?
A blackberry cobbler.
Oh boy, that's my favorite.
All right, you ready to try this cobbler?
I am ready.
Okay. See what you think.
That is delicious. I really like that.
All right, good. Well, happy Father's Day.
Thank you.